Hello guys, I'm Rebekah Cing, aka Now Cing, and welcome back to my channel, my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching. Today I went to the big mall that the Air Force had. It's like a 15 to 20 minute walk. It was pouring outside. It was really bad, but me and my friend went and then we made it. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys what I got today for my sister and my mom. I bought something. So this is what I got for me and my sister, so we could have a matching bracelet. So this is what I got. It's from Panacea I think, and it's like this. Very beautiful. I really like it, and she liked bracelets, so I hope she likes it. So it's gonna be a matching bracelet for me and my sister. And I wanted to get the same thing for my mom, but they only had 2 left, so I just got her this one since she's the mom. So we just got her this. So that's how it looks like. Very beautiful. And the next thing, I ran out of makeup wipes, so I went ahead and got a makeup wipe. Again, these are the best. I recommend you guys to use it. Right here. Next, I got a nipper earrings, like this kind of earrings. This is what I got. I like this kind of earrings, and the cool thing is that they have the silver one and gold one together, and they're not really big. They're like small, like, you know, medium size. So small, medium, you know what I mean. But they're really cute. And I got Revlon, I guess, product like this right here for a makeup product. I bought this. I've never tried it, but I'm gonna try it. And it's the Rose Glow Hydrating and Illuminating Primer Base Hydrate. So hopefully it'll work on me, and it's really cute. It really does glow, just like I said, like it's glowy. So hopefully it will glow. Yeah. And I had an Apple Watch 4 series, the 4 series ones, and I had the Rose Glow. So I've been wanting to buy another, the what's that thing, the bracelet, I don't know what they're called, but you know what I mean. This. So I got a black one because in the military you can't really wear the rose gold one or anything that's, you know, out of the color, military color. Can't find the other piece. Oh yeah, there you go. So I got this for my Apple Watch here. So, you know, right here. All right, and then I also ran out of my makeup spray set, like the spray set. So I got the Revlon Photo Ready Prep Set Refresh Mist, whatever, you know. So I got this one. Hopefully it will last me. I've never used this time, but hopefully it will, you know, it'll get along with my skin. And then my favorite kind of shampoo is the Argan Oil of Makoro. I don't know how to pronounce that, but it's the shampoo. And then the conditioner. Got it again. And then my favorite thing that I bought from today is this right here. It's the Home Base Core Management. Sorry, I can't read today. Management dock. So it has the Apple charge, the iPhone charging, the AirPod. I have AirPod, and then also had an Apple Watch. So I have all of those. So it, you know, it kind of look good. So it's a cord for my phone, my Apple Watch, AirPod, and if I have Apple Pencil, but I don't use Apple Pencil, so it's kind of like this.
I'm scared for Luke. I don't know what he's gonna do with
like this. And then I bought this bag right here. I've been wanting to get one, so I just got this. It's not really cute, but you know, at least I got what I want, so I just got this. So yeah. And then I also bought a makeup pouch, a big ass pouch. Sorry, excuse my language. I bought a makeup pouch. Probably a set. I'll show you. So I bought this. So that's how it looks like. So that's how it looks like. I have a lot of stuff. Oh, I can even take it out if I want, which is cool, I guess. Yeah, over here. It's really big. Also, I have this right here. Some other stuff I could put in here. It's really cute. Alright, this is gonna be my makeup bag from now on. I mean, even though I don't have that much makeup with me. Yeah. And I also bought this because we ran out of it, Bounty. So this is what I got. And then another one that I got, me and my guy friend, his name is Italy. So we bought the same t-shirt, my favorite color right here. Y'all can't see it. So this is what I got. This is small, y'all. So like it's still big. It's a Keelser Air Force Base, established 1948, Mississippi. So I got this right here. Yep, that's all I got. And I spent over $170 just for today. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe. And also go check out my bestie down here. I'll link her below. Thank you for your time. Have a great weekend and have a great Sunday. Thank you.